Hey everyone, welcome to Math with Miss A. This is how you're going to get your lesson today, so that's kind of exciting. You should all have a headphone in, you should have a pencil, and you should also have this packet. I'm going to do a couple problems with you in the packet, and then it's up to you to attempt to do the rest on your own, and you'll have this video to refer back to and your notes. So let's read our notes. So we're going to go into writing equations from word problems in standard form. You remember standard form as AX plus BY equals C. All right, I remember learning that last week. So sometimes there's no slope given, or there appears to be two slopes in a problem. These two numbers are the number per x and the number per y. Each of these is multiplied to x and y respectively, and we'll see that in our problem. There is no beginning amount, nor are there points given. However, there's a total involved. In that case, the equation can be written in ax plus by equals c form, with c always being the total amount. C is always going to be the total amount. Neither variable is dependent on the other in this case, right? With y equals mx plus b, y always dependent on what x was. In this case, that's not true. So let's look at the first problem. So a 100-point test has x questions worth 2 points apiece and y questions worth 4 points apiece. So that's going back to each of these is multiplied by x and y respectively. Number per x and number per y. So you have two pers. What do the variables stand for? So x is questions worth 2 points, right? Questions worth 2 points. Y are questions worth 4 points. So questions worth 4 points. And what's the total? This is a 100-point test, so my total is 100. So if I were to write an equation to describe all possible numbers of questions that may be on the test, we said ax plus by equals c. So if I were to write that, putting these in, 2x plus 4y equals c. Sorry, equals 100. Because c was the total, right? Look at that, I fixed it. All right, so question B says, if you have 24 questions worth 4 points apiece, how many questions will be worth 2 points apiece? Now, all we're doing here is we're plugging in. We're going to plug in 24 to where we're going to plug in 24 into the variable that represents 4 points apiece, right? So the variable that represents 4 points apiece is y. So let's do the math. 2x plus 4 times 24, because 24 questions worth 4 points apiece, equals 100. So 2x plus 24 times 4 should be, 4 times 4 is 16, 96 equals 100. So I'm going to move over here and solve it, because I don't have much space. So I subtract 96 on both sides. 2x equals 4. 2x equals 4. You got to divide by 2 on both sides. You get x equals 2. Did y'all follow that? I was just solving for x, right? And we know how to solve equations. So this means that I have if I have 24 questions worth 4 points apiece, I can only have one question worth 2 points apiece. All right? So that's how I did that one with y'all. So go ahead, attempt 2, 3, 4. And then these are going to either be in standard form or slope-intercept form, and you can answer the additional questions with it. All right? So if you need help, I will be here to help you. But these notes, these are pretty straightforward questions, so I think you'll all be able to get it. And if not, raise a silent hand and I'll come to you.